Hey guys, yes, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I will be doing a haul. Yes, I've been wanting to do a haul for a longest time now, but since like I told you guys, I've been so busy and now I have the time to do it. But yeah, I just filmed this makeup look right here. It will be up first and then this haul. So yeah, I'm just gonna do like haul. Anyway, yeah, I also have the Boxycharm. Already opened it. I've been wanting to do like a separate video for the Boxycharm, but then again, I'm just thinking about, let me just put it all over like in one. Anyway, yeah, okay, I'm just gonna do the Boxycharm first. Like I told you guys, it's already open. Let's see what's inside. So this February, I think, yes, February. No, this is the January, I believe. Yeah, see, it's still, this is from January's box. It's the 2018 Rock and Roll Soul. That's the theme of the monthly Boxycharm. Anyway, they sent me the Dr. Brandt, I don't know if that's how you pronounce it. This is the Pores No More Luminizer Primer. This one right here, that's how it looks. And this one costs $38 for this whole thing. Anyway, second is this Eat Cosmetics. This is the Brow Powder Universal Eyebrow Pencil. Yes, this is I haven't seen it, but I didn't. So yeah, looks like this. It reminds me of my Anastasia one, like that. See, it's the Anastasia one. Powder. So, ooh, comes with that right there, and then I think the brush on the other side. Yeah, it's cool. Other side. So I can't wait to try these since my my brow pencil for myself is running out. So I can't wait to try these. And this is in a shade Universal Taupe. Okay, next one is oh yeah, this is cost $24 for this thing. Anyway, next is this Crown Pro Glam Metals palette, which is this one. I featured this one on my IG stories, which is I'm gonna be doing a giveaway pretty soon. I'm just trying to get some stuff, like I said, get some stuff and give it away to you guys. So yeah, so this is, you're gonna receive this palette. This is like I said, from Crown Cosmetics or Crown Pro, whatever it is. So anyway, yes, it's still, I didn't use it, so it still have so I think you get, no, 3, 6, 8 shimmers. No, yeah, 8 shimmers and one so it looks like that, and it has a mirror, so that's how it looks. You guys see? So yeah, it's very shimmery. So I'm gonna give it away to you guys. So yes, I'm not gonna touch that. I'm gonna put this in the box for the giveaway, so I don't forget. But that one right there is $25. Okay, next is this this is the Pure Bronze and Brighten Cheek palette. So this is how it looks like. Very sleek in white, and when you open it, it has a mirror and it has like pure sign and this white stuff cover, and you'll receive a bronzer, highlighter, and a blush. So I'm keeping this because I can't wait, and I haven't tried like Pure Cosmetics, so I'm keeping this. Yeah, I can't wait to try this. Hold on. You know what, let me just get this white stuff. Okay, and this itself is $34. Oh my god, it's really expensive. And then the last in the box is this Girlactic matte lip paint, and this is in the shade, what shade is this? Oh, there you go, Demure. So, and I haven't swatched this because I called my sister and I'm just gonna give this to her since she wants the lipstick. So yeah, that's how it looks like. I just told her I'm just gonna feature it in my haul, but I'm gonna give it to her. All right, so yeah, that's it for the January's Boxycharm, which you guys can it's a monthly subscription, so you only pay like $21 every month, and every month they have different theme, and then you will receive like 5 full, how do you call it, like, you know, different type of makeup. So yeah, I'm gonna put that away over there. And next one is this elf hydration starter set, which is this one, you can see, and it comes with daily face cleanser. You know, let me show it to you guys, but like I said, I'm giving this to my sister too, so she can have all of these. So yeah, this is daily face cleanser, and you'll also receive illuminating eye cream, and also this is the daily hydration moisturizer. So yes, I'm just put it back in the box because I'm gonna give it to her. Hold on. Next one is this Sigma. I'm just gonna grab everything while I see. Sigma Kabuki kit. This one right here. I already ripped this off. So, and I can't wait to try these since this has been sitting here for like the past month or 2 weeks. Yes, I didn't buy all of this stuff in one, you know, one time. I just, you know, kind of like gather everything. So anyway, I'm just gonna, you will I forgot how much I paid for this. I don't know. I just you can go to Sigma site. Anyway, first is this angled kabuki brush in f824. So this is how it looks like. I can't wait to use this because I don't have any like high-end brushes, really, like, you know, real techniques, kind of. But yeah, this is the angled kabuki brush. I'm just gonna clean it, put it back, and kind of like wash it. Next one is you know what, let me just throw this away. Next one is this flat kabuki brush, and this is f80, whatever, I can't even pronounce it. So yeah, like this, look like that. And next one is this flat angled kabuki. So looks like this. It's flat. Like I said, this is really good for like you know, in that part like there for the foundation or whatever. And this is really very soft. Oh my god, I'm so excited to try this. And then the fourth one is this round kabuki, which is, I like this type of brush when I do like foundation. So yes, I'm excited for that. This is, yeah, looks like that. And lastly is this tapered kabuki brush. So yes, look like that. All right, yep, just like that. So yeah, next one is this I don't know how to pronounce it. If I'm doing it wrong, please correct me. This is the Batiste, girl, just read it. There you go. This is the dry shampoo. I know it's big. I got the I think this is the 400 ml. I have the smaller one, but I'm running out of it. So see, I'm running out of it. So I got the big bottle. Other elf product. This is the hydrating gel milk cleanser, and I can't wait to try these. This is from elf. Elf really stepping up their game. Yes, this is the hydrating gel milk cleanser. So yep, gonna wait to try these. Just gonna put it there, and I'm gonna put that in the trash. Okay, next is from Ulta. A lot of goodies in Ulta. Anyway, first is this number 7 translucent perfect loose powder from number 7. Looks like that, very sleek. That, and the second one is this Real Techniques Miracle Sculpting Sponge, like that. And next one is this Maybelline Master Contour, which is this one. Yep. You have bronze. No, you have contouring, and for contour you have blush, and for like highlight. Next one is, oh, can't wait to try this. This is the Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, whatever it is, lavender, I can pronounce it. But yeah, this is, I think this is the new facial spray from the Mario Badescu brand, since I've been loving these how do you call it, rose herbs and rose water. And I also have the green one, forgot what it is, but yeah, I have this in another room. But yeah, this one too. And next one is this lashes from Ardell. This is the Mega Volume lashes, and very dramatic. It looks like that. Yep. Let me get it. Hold on. Yeah, this is Days, Bittersweet, and Hudson. So yeah, I'm not gonna swatch it. I'm just gonna show it to you, since this two I'm giving it away for my sister and my friend. So yeah, but I'm keeping this shade. This is me. That's my color. It's my favorite. So anyway, next is this another Anastasia product, which is, this is the Aurora palette. This is the Glow Kit. So it looks like that. By the way, I think I got this when it they were having sale, so I got this like 50% off. So yeah, looks like that. Anyway, next one is this Essence. Oh my god, I can't wait to try these. This is the Essence Sun Matte Bronzing Powder, and look like that. This bronzer, it really smells good. It reminds me of the butter bronzer from the first edition. Oh my god, it smells good. But yeah, I also got this on sale too. So yep, can't wait to try these. And next two in this Ulta thing, Ulta thing is this yeah, this two liquid lipstick from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This shade Vamp and Seraphine. Well, I don't know. Anyway, this is the shade Vamp. This one right here. And then this is the shade Seraphine. I don't know. That's how you call it. But yeah, kind of more like ready. So can't wait to try these two. So first is this Wet n Wild Not a Basic Peach eyeshadow palette. That's how it looks like, and it's really cheap, you guys. And then next one is this Rose in the Air. It reminds me of the Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia, but I don't have that, but it just reminds me because I've seen it, you know, online and everywhere I go. So yeah, I want to have like a, I want to do like eye look for this thing. Can't wait. Next one in here is this another brow product, and this is the Retouchable Brow Pencil from, like I said, Wet n Wild, and this is the shade Dark Brown. So this kind of, like I said, reminds me of the Anastasia. This is more. It's not. Hold on, I need to show it to you guys. Well, looks like that. And see how it really reminded me, because like the application is, I don't know if you can see, but yeah, that's how it looks. And with my Anastasia, oh, see, they really look the same. You can't really see, but they look really the same, exact the same thing. I think it's a dupe. It's a dupe. So yes, I can't wait to try these. And see, this is a brush too. So yep, can't wait to try these. I'm just gonna throw this away. There you go. Okay, next is this highlighter. This is their famous highlighter. I have the Precious Petals already, and this, I pick up the shade Crown of My Canopy, which is kind of like a, not peach, but kind of like, well, kind of like more dark. Well, I suck at explaining it, but that's how it looks. And this one is golden flower crown, and that's how it looks like. Very goldeny, but I'm giving this one away to my sister. So yeah, and I'm gonna keep the other one. Okay, another highlighter is, this is the new one. This is the liquid highlighter, and this is in the shade, I think, Gilded Glow. That one right there. I can't wait to try this. And goodness, next one is this. Yeah, I can't wait to try this because I've been having a how do you call that? I've seen a lot of beauty gurus that use this makeup stick from Wet n Wild. This is the shade Call Me Maple. This is how it looks like. And another one is this lipstick from Wet n Wild, which is this one, guys. I will be giving away. So there you go. This is the shade Flame of the Game. So I'm gonna put that right here so I don't remember. And last is this Wet n Wild Cover All Liquid Concealer, and I just put this right here, but this is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in orange. It's the corrector. Okay, I'm almost done. Okay, what's next? Oh yes, this is not a makeup product. This is just the shoes. So I just want to show it to you guys. This is from, I got it from the store Journeys here in place, and I got socks. This is the Vans of the Wall socks. Just got 3 pairs of socks, and I got this kind of socks because I have this. I will show it to you. The shoes, the slip on, I believe. I have to get the other one. Yeah, this one. This is this yeah, classic slip on shoes, which is from Vans. Anyway, I'll show it to you guys. Slip on, and I'm in the size 7.5 in US. So yeah, that's why I bought these socks for just this type of shoe. So yep, I can't wait to wear these. So the other one is still the same, well, not the same like that, the brand. And then this is the old school. Well, I already have the old school, which is, that one is the difference between that one and this one is black and white. The other one that I have, that I've been using for like the past 2 years now, is the same old school, but it's like, it's this type, this, I don't know what this called. It's brown. Can't show it to you because it's dirty, but that's like my go-to shoes. If you know, if I go to work, that's like my shoes. It's very comfortable. But yeah, and then I just decided to get new pairs, even though people, everywhere you go, you can see people are wearing these shoes, but I'm like, hey, whatever, it's just a shoe. So anyway, yep, this one right here. So can't wait to use that too. I'm keeping the box. And I think that's it. I believe. Yeah. I think that's it, you guys. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what I got for the past month or 2, I believe, because I've been wanting to do like a haul, you know, just to show it to you guys. Anyway, if you that's it. I hope you guys enjoy this video, type of video, and yeah, I will see you guys next in my video. Oh, hold on, since I'm here. Okay guys, so I grabbed this box. This is the box from Ulta. Anyway, this the reason why I keep this box, because I'm gonna put the stuff that I'll be giving away. So I just gathered 4, I think 4. Yeah, so like I said, I'll show it to you guys. You will receive this palette from Crown, and then lipstick from Wet n Wild, and then you will also receive this brush, Kabuki makeup brush from Wet n Wild, and then you will also receive this LA Colors blush, like that. And this is just like a sample from like a a corrector from YSL. I'm just gonna put that over here. But yeah, I'll still have 4 things in here. Yeah, that I'm gonna be giving away for you guys, and I will just update you guys when I'm gonna doing this giveaway. So just, you know, chill, lay back, and I will tell you guys. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video and this type of video, and have a great day, you guys, and please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.